In this video, I'll be sharing with you some tips to help you land your first job on Upwork. You can get a job on Upwork either by applying, that is sending proposals, or by getting an invite, or even through referrals, that is you can be referred to a job by another freelancer. If you want to know how Upwork freelancer referrals works, then watch this video till the end. Hi, my name is Beulah Olarinde. If this is your first time on this channel, I publish how-to and tutorial videos to make your journey into getting things done smooth and stress-free. I believe by now you have a skill and account that has been approved. If you're still struggling to get your account approved and you received this email, then you should check out this video I made that will help you get your account approved. You are going to see the link in the description box below. Having said that, the first step is to optimize your profile. Add a picture, a professional picture, a clear one. Update your profile regularly. Have a clear job description. Have a clear profile description. Have a clear and compelling profile title. It should communicate exactly what you do. Add relevant work experiences and portfolio items. Make your profile 100% complete. This will guide you on how you can go about having a profile that is 100% complete. Also, research. Look at your competitors' profile, check out their title, their rates, their profile picture, their profile description, and their portfolio. All these things will help you set up your profile. The second step is to have samples. You might be wondering how to go about this. How will you go about getting samples since you have not worked for any client on or off Upwork before? You can get samples by being your own first client. Yes, if you are a writer, write something for yourself. If you are a video editor, edit a video. Whatever skill you have, create something that you can show as an evidence that you are capable of meeting the needs of the client. Tell your friends about what you do. You can get samples by working for or with your friends. Check out the works of professionals in your niche on Google to get some inspiration to create something. Don't wait till you get an actual client. The next step is to take the Upwork readiness test, which is one of the requirements for getting a Rising Talent badge. The Rising Talent badge helps new freelancers to quickly get started and grow their client base. You should check out this video I made providing answers to all the questions in the readiness test. All the other criteria to qualify for the Rising Talent badge was discussed in this video. You will find the link to these videos in the description. The next thing is that find a niche. Narrow down to one specific skill and focus. The marketplace today has become overcrowded. The more specific your skill, the better. And the good news is that Upwork allows you to create up to 2 specialized profiles. You can offer different skills using one Upwork account, but narrow down your skill. For instance, you can be a writer and web developer on Upwork using just one account. But in your job title and description, don't just write writer. Be specific. Are you a content writer or a copywriter or a grant writer or a technical writer or a romance writer, anything that it is that you specialize in is what you should write. Before I move to the next step, which is searching for jobs, if you are enjoying this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I drop a new video. When searching for jobs, apply to recently posted jobs. It's not that one that you can apply to jobs that was posted, a job that was posted like 21 days ago or 28 hours ago, 24 hours ago. I recommend that any job that you're applying to should be jobs that were posted within the last hour, like within 1 hour. Usually, even when you check jobs that were posted like 2, 3, 1 day ago or 2 hours ago, you will realize that there are a lot of people already that have applied for that job. Apply to jobs that are recent. Read the job description fully and carefully. A lot of people are not patient enough that the moment they see a job post, they just send proposal, they just copy and paste proposal and send. No, don't do that. There are some clients that they want to be sure that you actually read the job description, so they ask you to do something, and if you don't do it, like for example, write this in your proposal, they will know that you actually didn't read the job description. Then also read the job description carefully so that you can actually check if you can do the job. So it's not just about seeing a job posting and sending the proposal. So check well to be sure that you can do the job. Don't be in a hurry to quickly send your proposal. You have to calm down. There are a lot of things that you need to check before you send your proposal. Check out the skills the client mentioned in the job description to see if it matches your own skills. Don't just apply to all jobs. Some people just apply to all jobs, like once they see any job, they're already applying. They don't check well. This way you waste your connects. And do not pitch too high or too low. Your pricing, that's why it's important to check your competitors. Check the prices that they have on their profile. Check their rates and use it to determine your own rates. Don't pitch too low or too high. Don't say because you are new on the platform, a job that normally the client is supposed to pay like $100, you then do the job for $5 because you want to get clients. No, there are a lot of things to actually look out for before submitting a proposal. I think I'll do a separate video on that. That is why you need to subscribe. In this video, I shared some proposal hacks to help increase your chances of getting a job. Just before I tell you how Upwork freelancer referrals work, I want to encourage you not to give up. Don't bother about your submitted proposals and declines. Be online always. Set your profile to online. Therefore, when clients need to invite freelancers, they will see that you are online and will potentially reply to their job invites. Keep learning, and at the end of the day, after sending a proposal and you receive a response from that client, nail your interviews. If a potential client reply to your proposal, it means they love your proposal or profile or both. At this point, you need to impress them so that you can be sent an offer and get started on the contract. So for the Upwork freelancer referral, a freelancer can get more invites than they can handle. So they can then decide to refer another freelancer to a job instead of declining that job invite. If you have friends who are already on the platform, let them know that in case they have job invites, they have a lot to do and they don't have enough time, that they can always refer you to the job. You can as well get lucky that a freelancer that you don't even know get to refer you to a job. So that's why your profile needs to be 100% complete and top notch, because a freelancer who has a lot of jobs and would like to refer another freelancer will just check around. If your profile is okay and enticing, you can get referred. The freelancer can refer you. So that's why it's important that you optimize your profile, then you are online, because when you receive a referral, you will have the option to accept or decline the invitation. So responding within 24 hours looks professional to clients and helps them know if you are available. While you wait to get your first job on Upwork, keep learning and putting all that you learn to use. Check out the playlist on Upwork for all you need to know about the platform. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comment section. See you in the next video.